Welcome. In this video, we'll explore Apple Intelligence and how you can maximize its potential on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. First, let's dive into the impressive specifications of the iPhone 16 Pro Max that support Apple Intelligence. To get started, ensure you have the latest iOS update installed. Here's how you can do that effortlessly. Now, let's access the Apple Intelligence settings on your device. Follow along to navigate seamlessly. Personalization is key. Let's configure some preferences to tailor Apple Intelligence to your needs. Integrating with your favorite apps enhances the Apple Intelligence experience. Here's how to get started. Using Siri effectively can elevate your experience. Let's discover how to make the most of voice commands. Smart technology shouldn't drain your battery. Here are some tips to keep your iPhone powered while using Apple Intelligence. Encountering issues? No worries. Let's troubleshoot some common problems you might face with Apple Intelligence. In conclusion, Apple Intelligence continues to evolve. Stay tuned for future updates that may bring even more exciting features.